What happens when family or friends come to visit and you realize you don't actually have space for them? That's exactly the problem the BOXABL Casita solves. A complete home with a full kitchen, a full bathroom, and a comfortable living space. But the biggest advantage is where it sits. It's just steps away from your home while still giving everyone their own private space. Imagine your guests arriving. Instead of walking them into your living room, you walk them to their own front door. They drop their bags, set the temperature the way they like it, wake up when they want, and make coffee in their own kitchen. No awkward schedules, no shared bathrooms, no tiptoeing through someone else's house. You keep your routine, they get their independence, and the visit actually becomes enjoyable. Every casita starts with our standard clean white box exterior. It's simple, modern, and minimal, but it's only the starting point. You can customize the facade to match your home or neighborhood with stucco, siding, different colors, or exterior finishes. The result is flexibility, modern design, city compliance, and a fully functional guest home all in one unit. Step inside and it feels like a real home. Tall ceilings, big windows, a modern kitchen, and a full bathroom. Everything your guests need to stay comfortably, not just for a night, but for an entire visit. And when guests sleep well and have their own space, the visit gets better. That's why so many homeowners dedicate their casita to family and friends.
I chose a BOXABL Casita because I needed something easy, something durable to house family and friends when they come visit, and to allow a place for travel nurses to live when they're on assignment.
But there's another advantage. When no one is visiting, your casita can generate income. Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to turn a space like this into a short-term rental.
Way cheaper than a stick-built home, quicker way to start making money because you can set it up so quick.
Watch the next video to see how a casita can become a powerful income generator.